In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Microsoft Loop component efficiently using our comprehensive 2025 guide. Microsoft Loop is a dynamic and versatile tool that allows seamless collaboration by integrating components across various Microsoft 365 apps. However, there may come a time when you need to tidy up your projects by deleting unnecessary components, and today I'll walk you through that process step by step. First, let's start by navigating to loop.cloud.microsoft. This is your online hub where all your Microsoft Loop components are gathered, enabling you to manage and organize them effectively. Once you've successfully logged in and reached the Loop homepage, the next thing you want to do is to open the specific page or workspace that contains the component you need to delete. This might be a page dedicated to a particular project or a collaborative space where various team members contribute. Having opened the correct page, you'll want to locate the specific loop component you're planning to remove. It can sometimes be a bit crowded with other content, so take a moment to identify it clearly. Now here's where a simple yet crucial step comes in. You need to hover your mouse over the component you wish to delete. This action will help reveal additional options that aren't initially visible. As you hover, you'll notice a small 6-dot menu icon appearing on the left side of the component. This menu is your gateway to managing the component. Think of it as your control center for modifications. Go ahead and click on this 6-dot menu. After clicking on the menu, you'll see the option to delete. You might feel a bit apprehensive, but don't worry. Microsoft usually handles deletions safely, and in many environments you can recover a mistakenly deleted component. Once you're ready, select the delete option. This will initiate the removal of the component from your page. And there you have it, your selected loop component is now deleted, simplifying your workspace and helping you maintain a clutter-free environment. Removing unnecessary components can greatly enhance your focus on more important tasks and streamline collaboration efforts. Remember, this cleanup process isn't just about making your digital workspace look tidy, but it also aids in keeping your collaborative efforts organized and efficient, ensuring everyone is aligned and on task. I hope this guide has clarified the process of deleting a Microsoft Loop component. If you find yourself needing further assistance, consider exploring the help resources provided by Microsoft, as they offer a treasure trove of additional tips for using Loop to its fullest potential. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more useful tutorials.